am Antonio, and I am now in a train that's going to the Highlands in Scotland. I have just known a person from Republic Czech that has been living for a few years in Scotland, and she's telling me which kind of difference have seen between her own countries and Scotland or United Kingdom, and also what she like about her own culture and which kind of values have found in United Kingdom. So please let me know what do you like about your country, about United Kingdom, and which kind of moral values do you like from your country and United Kingdom, please.
Hello, I'm Daniela. I came from Czech Republic and I live here for a long time. In my country, I like the culture. We got very cheap possibility to go for concerts, music, literature. On the other hand, in Britain and Scotland especially, lots of material things are very cheap, unlike in my country. As well as Britain have so many trees, plants and bushes from all over the world because of all the ship and all the colonies, while my country have a very small selection of continental trees and plants. So there are some changes. What I like on moral way of my country is that we are very flexible and people who will adjust themselves to situation, and I find especially Scottish people very stuck to their old habits and old ways, and if it's done different then it's weird or unusual, and they are very difficult in changing in situations, but usually very polite, very helpful if you are in trouble, and so that's maybe it.
Okay, one more question and finish. I have seen in some cities in United Kingdom police cars, for example, wearing a flag of a minority group that is called LGBT. Have you seen anything like this in other countries, and also what do you think about?
I admit my country have probably much more stricter ways with minorities. I'm afraid to say even my own brother is quite racist. On the other hand, I'm very lucky to embrace anybody who behaves like a human, and doesn't matter the race, the skin, the way of living for me. But where I live in Inverness, it's quite small, town-minded people, so it's probably different in bigger cities where the minorities are much bigger. We don't need police that much around here, and the few families I know from Nigeria, from India, from Pakistan actually are very well taken by locals, so that's probably it.
The last question. Also, I have seen in London a policewoman working as police officer. Well, I don't know if she was a Muslim woman, but she have Muslim culture, and she was working as police officer wearing the hijab. Have you seen anything like this in other countries?
Surely not in my country, but we don't have too many people from the Muslim country in my country. But I suppose if people are liking to wear their cultural dresses and it's their habits, I don't see problem in them having what they are used to have, unless it's dangerous to others. So I think it's perfectly alright for me.
Okay, thank you so much for your time. I'm sorry for bothering you, okay? Thank you so much.
Have a nice afternoon. You didn't bother at all. Thank you. Bye.